Is your Ford Transit 2019 to 2021 key fob unresponsive or the remote not working? A dead battery is the most common cause. This section covers identifying the problem and preparing for a quick DIY fix. First, confirm the issue isn't due to other factors like being out of range of the vehicle. If the fob's LED doesn't light up when pressing buttons or the vehicle doesn't respond, a battery replacement is likely needed. You'll need a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery costing around $1 to $3, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the fob case without damage, and optionally, a small Phillips screwdriver if you notice the internal clips are loose after opening. Now let's replace the battery. First, carefully locate the seam along the edge of the key fob. Use your flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to gently separate the two halves. Avoid using excessive force, as the plastic case is prone to cracking, especially near the seam. Applying slight heat from a hairdryer can help loosen a stubborn case. Once open, remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side faces up, positive side up. Insert the new battery in the same orientation. Snap the two halves of the fob case back together, ensuring a secure closure. Test the key fob's functions, lock, unlock, panic button. If the remote still doesn't work, try cleaning the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol. If issues persist, consult your Ford dealer, but battery replacement typically restores full functionality. This DIY fix avoids dealer fees and is a user-serviceable procedure, not voiding warranties.